Hi guys, and welcome to the video. My name is Paul Greenwood, and this is a little bit of a quick channel announcement. Over the years I've been creating lots of different tutorials in InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, and also for YouTube, and in that time I've created lots of different files that are helpful not just to me but to everybody out there in the creative community. So what I've decided to do is to set up a Patreon account, which is now available for you to go and check out. If you would like to access any of my files from my tutorial videos, head over to my Patreon account. You can download those, you can use them in your own project, and you will also be supporting me and my channel. I'd also like to thank everybody who may have tuned into one of my tutorials. You may have hit like and subscribed to my channel, so thank you so much for supporting me on my creative journey. I look forward to making more videos for you guys, so stay tuned and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Let's get out of here.